Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 websites that you can use to find online jobs. But before you dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, Teachers Record. This is an international job board for teaching. It is mainly known for its high quality English teaching jobs, but they do also offer other subjects or have jobs for other subjects such as programming for kids. You can search for work from home jobs, or if you want to go abroad, you can click on Teach Abroad button. This company hires both qualified and unqualified individuals. You can use these filters. These are all the jobs you can apply to. Majority of the jobs on this platform pay between $10 to $30 per hour, which means if you work 10 hours for $10 or 3.5 hours for $30, you can make approximately $100. This can be done with one company or multiple companies within the job board. It can also be done in one day if you have students, or you can spread it out. Most of these companies don't have their own websites, meaning once you've been accepted, you'll always have students. Students are always encouraged to book multiple lessons in advance, which helps with the job security. The cherry on top is the free Topsail certificate that you can use not only on this platform but other platforms as well. It is internationally recognized. So to test this, I went ahead and I did mine within 1 hour on Saturday, I think, and I got my certificate by Monday. But my friend who did hers last week, she got her certificate within a couple of minutes after completing the course. To increase your chances of getting picked, make sure you complete your resume and a dashboard. You don't have to upload your certificate such as your degree, etc. But if you have it, I suggest you upload. On this website, you have to manually apply to each job you're interested in. If you want to start making money teaching kids, high school students, or even university, go ahead and apply to this website. And please don't procrastinate to get your TOEFL, because we don't know for how long they're going to be offering it for free. Don't be intimidated by 120 hours. You can complete the course within 1 day. Plus, if you get something wrong, you don't fail, you just don't move forward until you get it right. Number 2, Topsail freelancers. Topsail is a project-based platform for freelancers around the world. Companies are constantly trying to save money, so instead of hiring full-time workers, they resort to finding freelancers for each project. What makes Topsail really special is they are very strict with their process. You have to go through passing language tests, skills review, or even test projects for some jobs. They want to see if you really possess the skills you claim to have. And this is very important for the company because they work with really big and small companies. Unlike other websites that only provide you a platform to find jobs, Topsail is really involved in finding you a job, hence their rigorous process. Working with clients you find on platforms like this can really change your life. For example, this guy who got a job through one of the platforms I've recommended firstly worked part-time and the company liked him. They eventually hired him full-time. Now he's a junior manager working from home in South Africa for a company across the world. Topsail is always looking for developers, designers, project managers, which by the way doesn't mean that you must have years of experience. I used to think anything with management you must have years of experience, but no. Project management is really about managing projects. If you are a treasurer of your church or an organization, manage a fundraising project, that can count as experience. They also hire product managers and finance experts. If you possess any of these skills with or without a degree, you should definitely apply. Many of the developers that are working for Topsail or via Topsail are sourced from India, not because there's anything special about them, but they just don't limit themselves to working for companies in their own countries. That's an advantage of skill-based jobs. I've read so many stories of people who started working for companies via Topsail, and those companies ended up paying for their visa and they moved to the US or Canada, etc. So please don't limit yourself. Number 3, workingnomads.com. Working Nomads is a platform for people who want to work while traveling or live in your home country but work with international companies. On this website, you can find different job categories. As you can see here, these are different jobs they have, the number of jobs available. They even have customer service category. In South Africa, we have a lot of call center jobs for companies that are from abroad, but they hire South Africans. Using this website, you can work directly with some of those companies and even charge your own rates. I highly suggest you check these jobs out based on your skill or education. Before applying though, always look for global or anywhere icon, unless of course you see jobs in your own country. When a job is no longer available, it will be grayed out, which I think is helpful instead of wasting people's time. Number 4, Prospect Solution. Prospect Solution is an online career agency for research writers. This means you must be an academic writer. They currently have a team of 3,000 people worldwide, and they pay between £50 to £1,000 per piece. They accept both students and graduates. As a student, you will be paid £17 per 500 words. If you hold a degree in any field and have been struggling to put it into use, you may want to check this out. Apply underwriting jobs for graduate or freelance writing. You don't have to be a good writer or even like writing, but as long as you have good knowledge in a specific field. Undergraduates get paid £40 per 500 words to £100 per 500 words. So this depends on the topic, specialization, etc. If you hold a master's degree, you get £50 to £125 per 500 words. If you have a normal degree but your average is below 65%, you get £20 to £50 per 500 words, and for the same average but for masters, you get £25 to £62 per 500 words. So your GPA will set you apart. The higher average, the more you can make. Number 5, Stuvia.com. Stuvia is a global marketplace for students to upload and sell notes. You can summarize a chapter or you can upload your entire semester's notes. They have universities around the world, including South African universities, but if you don't see university, you can be the first one to introduce it by uploading your notes. You are allowed to set your own rates. There is also an option to give away your notes for free. You can use this as a strategy. For example, if you are covering an entire chapter that has 5 sections, you can give away maybe the first or even second section for free, and hopefully this will encourage students to buy the entire package. You cannot upload your lecturer's notes or slides from your class. The only thing I don't like about this website is that you have to log in quite frequently, even if you are not uploading notes. Otherwise, at the end of the year, they will bill you or charge you €5 per month from your earnings. It is important to know that with note selling apps or websites, the money doesn't come rolling from the first day. You don't have control over who purchases your notes and when they do it. So it can take a day or weeks or even months for some subjects or for some people. This is supposed to be a passive income, not an active income. So you should not depend on selling your notes. Another similar website, but South African based, is Study Pass. They sell UNISA notes. So if you are a UNISA student or an alumni, do check this website as well. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can. All the links will be in the description box.